Start. The governments of India and Pakistan accepted in March 1952 the proposal of the bank that a working party should be set up consisting of engineers of India and Pakistan. We would be assisted by engineers of the bank with the object of preparing for the consideration of the two governments a comprehensive plan for the development of the water resources of the Indus region so that the river supplies effectively available to each country would be increased substantially beyond what they had ever been. It was agreed also at that time that neither party would, while joint work was in progress, diminish the supplies of water available to the other side for existing uses. It will readily be appreciated that though this condition was expressed as a mutual obligation, it was a condition which bound India alone, for Pakistan does not supply any waters to India. This unilateral restriction was, however, accepted by the government of India solely in the interest of a speedy settlement. It was not expected at that time that the work of the working party would take very long. From May 1952 till August 1953, the engineers of the two sides, assisted by the engineers of the bank, collected a vast amount of statistical and engineering data required for the preparation of the comprehensive plan. In September, the Working Party met in Washington. These efforts met, however, with no success, and on the 5th February 1954, the bank, finding that there was no prospect of further discussions providing fruitful, presented a proposal to the working party which in its view would produce a fair and economic result for both countries. The government of India gave detailed and anxious consideration to this proposal, which fell far short of India's requirements and which, in addition, involved for them a considerable financial liability, the justification for which was not clear. They decided, however, to accept the bank proposal primarily because they wished, in the interest of good relations with their neighbor, to take every opportunity that might present itself for the settlement of a dispute which had been in existence for many years. They accordingly communicated to the bank their acceptance of the proposal on March 22, 1954. From the 5th of February till the middle of June 1954, the Indian delegation waited in Washington in the hope of getting a clear answer from Pakistan as to whether they did or did not accept the bank's proposal, when even in spite of an appeal by the bank, there was no positive response from Pakistan. The government of India had no option but to come to the conclusion that further progress of the cooperative effort undertaken with the assistance of the bank had become impossible, and Pakistan has therefore voided the understanding under which the Washington Party had been set up. Stop.